Congratulations on your pregnancy. With the butterflies in your belly, you must be thinking now if someone can tell you what all is going on inside your body, how is the baby growing, and all. Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shikha Sardana, Obs-Gynae consultant at Chaitanya Hospital, Chandigarh. We are here today with your first trimester week by week pregnancy newsletter to keep you informed about what to expect for you and your developing baby during the first 3 months of your pregnancy. Let's start the journey from your 5th week. 5th week is a time when pregnancy is usually detected, when you miss your periods and get the pregnancy test done. At this time, the baby is just around 3 mm sized, looks more like a tadpole than a baby. During the 5th week, brain and spine begin to form. By the end of 5th week, your baby's heart is beating at a steady rhythm, and the structures that will become eyes and ears are forming. Further on, in the 6th week, the baby is now about the size of a pea. Lungs and brain are developing. Baby's nose, mouth, eyes, ears, and arms are forming and begin to take shape. An ultrasound scan may be able to detect little baby's heartbeat at this time. Moving further in 7th week, now the baby has eyelids, but they remain closed. The hand and feet are forming. By 8th week, the baby is about 1 inch or a bean sized. The placenta is working and supplying the baby with oxygen and nutrients through the umbilical cord. And then you enter the 3rd month of your pregnancy. In the beginning of 3rd month, while still extremely small, your baby is now ready for a rapid weight gain. Your baby is beginning to look more like a little person. All the baby's joints are working and the baby moves about freely in the amniotic sac, that is the water bag around the baby. Further on in the 3rd month, now the heart will divide into 4 chambers. The limbs as well as hands, feet, fingers and toes become well developed. The finger and toenails begin to form. And you won't even believe that unique fingerprints are now located on the tips of your baby's fingers. Your baby's mouth now has 20 buds that will become baby teeth. Fine hairs begin to form on baby's scalp. By the end of 3rd month, that is by the end of your first trimester, baby is almost a lemon sized and has all major organs, but yes, they are too immature for the baby to survive out of the womb. So now you know how will your baby grow in the first trimester. In fact, tracking your baby's development month by month like this is a great way to bond with your baby. Now let's shift the focus on you, the new mommy to be. Let's see what changes are occurring to your body when you are in your first trimester. As we have discussed before, that usually you are in your 5th week of pregnancy when you discover that you are pregnant. At this point, you may begin to experience morning sickness or nausea, vomiting of pregnancy. Although it usually begins around 6th week of pregnancy, about 60% of pregnant women will experience this. And although named like morning sickness, this pregnancy-related nausea, vomiting can strike at any time of the day, like in the morning, throughout the day, or in the evening. In addition to morning sickness, at this point, at around 6 weeks, you may begin noticing some changes in your breast. The hormonal changes might make your breast swollen, tender, and sensitive. As you move further in this 2nd month of pregnancy, you still may not physically appear pregnant to other people, but you definitely will begin to notice several changes. You may experience weakness or fatigue, mood swings, heartburn, feeling more bloated. You may have food cravings or aversions. You can develop constipation. These are common discomforts during pregnancy. Further, as you move and enter the 3rd month of your pregnancy, although it may not look like your body has changed from outside, but your baby is rapidly growing inside, and likewise many changes are occurring throughout your body. You may notice increased hair and nail growth. You may observe that your skin is changing, including darkening of the breast areolas, irregular dark patches on your face and neck, that is chloasma or mask of pregnancy. Now, stretch marks may be appearing on your abdomen, breast, hips, or buttocks. Your morning sickness may begin to subside at this point, but you may be experiencing more frequent heartburns. You may notice some more distinct changes in your breast. By now, your breast might have become larger and may feel lumpy. This is because breast is preparing for milk production. So these all are the physical and emotional changes during the first 3 months of your pregnancy. Now, as you know them, this will help face you these months ahead with confidence and take care of yourself in a better way. Enjoy your pregnancy, take good care of yourself with the wishes of a happy, healthy, and safe pregnancy. We want to thank you all for joining us.